For domestic cleaning and stain prevention in Yorkshire, talk to East Coast Valeting. We can give a professionally clean finish to homes, holiday homes and static caravans. We also offer a stain protection service, and we have expert knowledge of how to clean leather, upholstery and carpet stains. All our services are available monthly or as one-offs, and they're carried out by qualified and fully insured technicians to protect your property, possessions and peace of mind. There are no hidden charges. All chemicals and products are included in our quotes. Visit our Yale site for more information. Email us or call East Coast Valeting.